Remember I told you guys I will make this video later in the day for those of you on my WhatsApp group. This is the video here. I want to quickly make it and share with you guys on my WhatsApp and on my YouTube channel, so that before another thing we take this time away from me. So if you are coming across my channel for the first time, I'm Boy TV. Please kindly do me a favor to like this video, share to friends, subscribe and turn on the bell icon so that when next I post amazing and mind-blowing video like this, it will notify you and you come and watch and benefit from it. All right. So this particular platform is going to be, we are going to be making use of Telegram. So if you don't have Telegram, please kindly go and download Telegram. I've told you guys earlier in my WhatsApp group, I say get your Telegram if you don't have one, because this update I'm about to share is officially going to be happening on Telegram. So this is Telegram, right? So if you are on Telegram here, click the link I'll be leaving on the video description. It will bring you to this interface. Or if you're on my WhatsApp group, click the link I'll be leaving on my WhatsApp group. That's why I told you guys to join my WhatsApp group. So if you click the link, it will bring you here, and you will launch this particular platform. This is Aivex, all right? You launch this Aivex. You can see how the AI this particular token is reading on its own, all right? So you click on start. You can watch this short video if you want, but no need for you to watch the short video when you have already watched the one I'm going to be sharing with you guys on this YouTube channel. So click on open the application. Don't click on main menu, click on open the application. All right, click on open the application, then click on start to launch it. Allow it to load up. Okay, allow it to load up. So once it's finished loading up, it will bring you to this interface. All right, you can see how I'm 0.004 USD right now. My let me mark these things to you guys. You can see this first one is our income per hour. This second one is income per day. All right. The reason why it's showing this income per day is because I newly started this project, but this project has been confirmed legit, guys, because the person that shared this project with me, I think 4 hours ago, has placed a withdrawal of 10 USDT from this particular platform. Right, you can see this project will be launching in different what is it called, different exchanges. All right, to be launching in different exchanges. If you click on this place that says select an exchange, this particular place, now let me mark it for you guys. If you click on this place, all right, you will see the different exchanges and wallets that this project will be listening on. This is Kraken, this is BinkX, this is HTX, this is KuCoin, this is Mexi, this is Gates IO, this is BitGate, this is OKS, this is Bybit Trust Wallet, Stonekeeper. So if this project is going to be listening on these exchanges and wallets, that means they are going to cook, guys. So you can see the time the project we list. Look here. This is to the listening 33 days and 17 hours from now. That means 33 days should be first week or second week of December, because I'm making this video as of Wednesday, November 5. So 30 days should be 30 days should be first or second week of December. So you are quite early to join this project, all right? But this project is just like other projects that allow us to withdraw even before listening, like Bitcoin. And let me sound this as a warning: if you haven't done your Bitcoin KYC, please kindly know that before you can deposit Bitcoin before you can deposit USDT into your Bitcoin app, now you can only deposit 10 USDT upward, because after their upgrade and migration, their interface changed. So if you want to deposit Bitcoin now, if you want to deposit USDT now, you have to deposit 10 USDT upward. So no more depositing 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 or 5, right? So if you want to deposit, let me know in the comment section and I will reply to you. So this project is just like Bitcoin and Atok, though, and those are some other projects that allow us to withdraw even before the listing dates. All right, so you can read all these things. You can see here it says n 0.28 daily top up your balance by 10 USDT, all right, which means if you top up your balance by 2 USDT, by 10 USDT, you'll be earning more higher. But I wouldn't advise you guys to top up any balance here, because me, I'm doing this the free way, and I also want you guys to do it the free way as well. All right, so you can see scroll down and read all these. All right, scroll down and read all these. I wouldn't want this video to be too long. Get reward, get reward, get reward 10 USD, $10 in Aivex coin for each invitation. Please kindly note this reward is not that you get $10 instantly. You can get up to $10, because me, I haven't invited anybody here, and you can see the amount I've made so far, 0.004. So I started this project, I think 4 hours ago. As I told you guys earlier, I started around 4 a.m. So, and this is 7 a.m., 7:30 a.m. already. So that is just it. So scroll down here to, if you want to invite, copy here and click on this place that says invites. Click on this invite here to copy your referral link and share to family and friends. Once they come on board, you're good to go. And if you have multiple Telegram accounts, you can loot these guys. You can loot. So you can see this place that says top up if you want to deposit. But I wouldn't advise you guys to deposit any dime here, because me, I'm doing this the free way, and I'm also telling you guys to do it the free way. Right? You know, it has been long I share update that you can maybe that invest and get. You know, I want to try to limit those things, and I want us to dive into survey. So you can see here, if you want to top up, click on. You can see 10. If you click on that top up, you can see 10 is showing here, because the minimum you can top up is only 10, is from 10 USDT upward. But I wouldn't advise you to top up anything. Though if you top up, it's at your own risk, because this video is strictly for educational purpose. So if you go to currency, and I so much love the interface of this platform. They will allow you to calculate your income before making your mind up to top up. All right, you can calculate your income, maybe if it's suitable to you, if it's convenient to you, at your own choice. You can go ahead. This calculator allow you to calculate your income, maybe like calculate it in next 34 days and 17 hours. If you are going to be getting times 3 times 4 of the 10 USDT you want to deposit, you are good to go. But mind you, let me show you guys something. Oh, sorry. Let me show you guys something. Please just hold on. This particular project, once you meet up to the minimum withdrawal, right? Once you meet up to the minimum withdrawal, you withdrew your 10 USDT, you will start mining afresh, like from the beginning. Once you meet up to 10 USDT here, please, if you want to navigate back and it's taking time, please allow it to do whatever it's doing, because this platform, I think it takes time to go back, maybe like a few seconds to go back or to go to the next level. Maybe if you click on history, partner, or AI deals, it takes a few seconds to go. Don't think that it's your network or your phone is slow. No, it's from the platform. Because me, I'm using 16 gig 128 RAM, and it's still happening this way. I have experienced this 2 times, so that's why I'm telling you guys. So if you want to navigate back, or you want to go to the next page and it's slowing down, allow it. It will surely come up. All right. So what I want to check with you guys here, if you accumulate 10 USDT here and you withdraw, right? After withdrawing, it will go back again to 0.000000001. All right. So when I will advise you guys to withdraw from here is close towards the listening date. Don't worry, I'll make a withdrawing video. I'll still make a withdrawing video, and post it to you guys here, because I told you earlier I wouldn't want the video to be too long. All right, and this video is getting to 5 minutes already, so I think we should stop here. All right, scroll down and read all these things. You can see you earn 1% daily income. All right, just 1%. So if you deposit 10 USDT, maybe you might be earning one USDT every day. That is based on your own research, but I will advise you guys to do this the free way. All right, because I'm also doing the free way. So that is just it. Please make sure you like this video, share to friends, subscribe, and turn on the bell icon so that when next we post amazing and mind-blowing video like this, you'll be notified and you come and watch from it. All right, and get from it. I will be diving into survey, and I think I'll be creating a new YouTube channel for that survey. I don't know yet. Just asking my members in my WhatsApp group. So once they give me feedback, I'll update you guys here on my YouTube community. All right. I believe in you all here, and I'm hoping to see you guys in my next video. Okay. Peace.